Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Files tab in Microsoft Teams. First, open the chat or channel where you want to share your file. Here I'm opening Test Meeting 2026, and then click the attachment icon at the bottom of the message box. It's the paperclip icon right next to where you type your message. An attachment menu appears with several options for adding files. You can upload from your device, add files from OneDrive or SharePoint, browse Teams and channels for previously shared files, or insert links. Choose Upload from this device to pick a file from your computer. A File Explorer window opens showing your local folders and documents. Browse to the file you want to upload, select it, and then click the Open button at the bottom right. Teams supports most common file types including documents, spreadsheets, images, and PDFs. The file appears in the message input box with a preview thumbnail showing the file name and type. In this case, it's a CSV file called Example Messaging Contacts File. You'll also see the file size displayed next to the name. Click the Send button to post the file into the chat, and it'll appear as a card in the message thread with the file name and a download option. The file uploads to your Team's SharePoint storage automatically, so everyone with access to the chat can view or download it. Once the file is posted, hover over it to reveal additional options. You'll see reaction buttons and a three-dot menu icon appear on the right side of the file card. The three-dot menu gives you access to more actions like downloading, opening in the app, or managing file permissions. If you need to upload multiple files at once, hold Control and click each one in the File Explorer before hitting Open. Files shared in a channel are automatically saved to that channel's Files tab, so you can find them later even if the message scrolls out of view. To delete a file you posted by mistake, click the three-dot menu on the file card and choose Delete. This removes it from the chat, but not from the Files tab. And that's how to add and share files in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.